Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's 1 o'clock Saturday afternoon, so I'm going to start and de-weed the trees before I water them. Then I'm going to move a bit stuff about. The little bits of crap what I've got growing, I'm just going to give a quick prune before I put them to the final destination for this year. I'll give you a little quick look at what it looks like now.
I remember the moment I got left behind. Faces fade to black as they
Hello, Howard. Hello, son. How you going? Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Not much weeds on this. Some of them's got some nice shape, and some of them haven't. Really not bothered where I cut on these. Just need to grow. Not very good on your knees, these stones. What do you want you to get? Oh, just some rough pruning on them. That one's kind of funny old twist in it. These are dead. Get that off. That. You fucking joking, you just pissed on me tree, you stupid cunt. A couple at the back look like they're dead. Ah, they're dead. They're solid then. That one looked like it was dead, but when I scratched the bark, it's still green on the inside, so I'll keep that one. Them two that's dead at the back there, they'll be going in the fire. I just need to get it all cleaned up a bit. That one's green. I think it's just lack of water on these couple. Just give it a quick old haircut. So what I'll do is I'll just continue around and we'll come back in a bit. There's about one bit of the top end of the garden done on the patio. I've brought that large forest over from the bottom because it wasn't doing it any good. Stuck in the corner. I'll go around the side and I'll show you the back of the tree. I haven't pruned this. because I'll be doing a video on that. The same with that one. I know you want us to get into the redwood, which I will once I've got a little bit of time to get rid of all this. I'll give this just a rough prune. Like I said, I want to make a box, add more larches, give it a couple of years, then it'll go back on the slab. So it's all pretty much clean up here. What I want to do now is give these trees water. And I'm going to move down and work my way around the garden. Here's the back of that larch forest. This tree looks like it's been looking for light. It's alive, it's got green on. So that's why I put it on there, so we can get some light at the back. We might get a little bit this year, there's a couple of weeks left of growth. But I might end up separating that to put into that, because it's a big fiberglass pot. It's really a bit big to hump about and it looks shit underneath, basically. So all them in there might get split, added to that, and we'll have a canny few trees in one forest group. So on to the next bit. So we've got the other bench done now. With all the crap. Sorry about the sun, mate. That's just off these few trees. I wasn't bothered going to do a video on these because it's just the shale of pite what's grown. The bed I'll leave for a separate video because I need to prune the tenuti in that back and clean it out, so we'll do a separate video on that. Tara! Hello, Tara. Hiya, baby. So, I've got round here to do, and this shelf. A lot of work, so I best get going. Contorni esters I'll leave for videos to prune. I'm just going to clean the bench up a bit, cut a few weeds out and give them a water. So, back at it. So all I've got left to do now is burn the crap. The neighbours are going to love me. But like I say, there's just a bit to do. Oh, it stinks that. I'm getting most of the weeds out. There's still a few into the beech forest which I need to prune up anyways, so I'll get the rest out on that. Contorni esters are still to do, which is coming on a video. But everything's starting to look nice and tidy, even the dark white one. Made space on the main bench. Cleaned up the box up the back there. Just pruned the Contorni esters back. Cleaned up this bench. Well, it's all been cleaned. I've still got the greenhouse to do, which I'll do tonight while I'm just having a couple of cans. Cut all these tomato plants out. So, busy day here at Horton Bonsai. Back's aching now off that. So is my knees kneeling on the stones. That was just a little video showing you what I've been up to today. Saturday the 31st of August. Yeah, it's time for a well-deserved can light since I've never stopped. I'm just going to be burning the rubbish while I have a few tins. Like I see, the neighbours are going to love me because it stinks. I might get the greenhouse done while I'm pottering on, and tomorrow I'll get a few videos done. So if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you haven't, please subscribe, help the channel out a bit. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks! Cheers!